we are going to unbox some items which I've ordered from the shop loose. Let's see. I'm really very excited to unbox all the things. So stay with me. So let's open this first. Let's take out the invoice which is attached with it. So in the invoice it's not mentioned that okay, yeah, we have ordered one nylon heat resistant non-stick spoon spatula. So basically they are spatula, non-stick spatulas of 6 pieces at rupees 89. So I was getting this on the price of 89, but after getting a discount of 13 rupees and plus added some 4 rupees of shop bucks, so it's getting in worth of 7 rupees. So now we are going to unbox. Wow. Oh, absolutely amazing. They are absolutely nice. It's truly amazing. Actually, the all things are in plastic, and I think that I don't know that if we are doing some kind of oil or fry thing, so this will be work or not. Okay, good. It's nylon plastic. Friends, we will unbox the second thing. So basically this is the purse which I've ordered from the shop loose on the price of rupees let me first take out the invoice, then we'll be able to see that what I've ordered. I will pronounce proper the item name as well and the price. So basically it's a Fash Look brown BMW magnet wallet for men, and as per the shop loose price it's 129 rupees, and after the discount of 28 rupees and plus minus of 15 rupees shop loose work, so it's cost me 86 rupees. Well, the purse is very quite heavy. Purse is heavy. Let's see how the quality is. Well, here's some button, kind of a button. Here we can put our some ID cards or something, and this is our first pocket and the second pocket. Well, I'm truly very happy with this purse. It's absolutely very amazing. The quality of the purse is absolutely so wonderful. It's really a price worth of money. I'm truly very happy with this. So they're having a magnet here. Then firstly we can just put our cards here, and a very good quality purse is this. That's nice. The Titan watch, which is the model name is NH. Actually मैं कुछ बोल ना रहा हूँ ना, पॉज कर दे अगर. So my dear friends, I'm truly very excited at this time. I'm truly very excited because I'm going to unbox one of the very amazing Titan watch. Let's see. So basically it's a unisex watch. Even a man can also wear, a woman can also wear, because it's having a kind of a design which a woman also can wear. So the shop clues price. So the model name is Titan NH9151 DM02 analog watch, and it's a silver gold black. Okay, let's open this, and it's of 559 rupees of the shop clues price, and basically the MRP of this watch is almost 3000, because I have compared with other websites as well. So I have only shop clues is giving this watch in only just under 1000 rupees, and it's and after this discount of 19 rupees and minus of 80 of shop clues bucks, so it's cost me for 460 rupees, which is quite amazing. And let's unbox this. Well, the box quality is not as much good as I was expecting, but still, let's open this. I pray may I get a good product, because I've already spent the money. So here's how the Titan watch. So here we are having a tag as well of Titan, and plus we are having a certificate of warranty by Titan, which is quite amazing. So it's a certificate of original that this watch is absolutely original. And let's see the beauty of the watch. It's absolutely very beautiful watch. It is a kind of a very unique, beautiful shine, golden silver watch, absolutely stainless steel, and one of the best part is that it's waterproof. It's very beautiful and quite amazing. I do one thing, I will just try that how's it looking when I'm wearing this watch. Well, basically I have just ordered this watch for my mom, because it's having a very unisex design, because basically the small dial watch is always wear by women only, which I have seen. So basically I'm going to gift this watch to my mom. So as my wrist is so like, so it is not coming on my hand, but we can adjust this band. It's having a very beautiful design, and I'm truly very happy with the watch. The beauty of the watch is absolutely amazing. Well, it's not in the running condition. I need to open. I think I need to start the watch. 130. It's quite amazing. That my mom will be also very happy when she will see this watch. My dear friend, this watch in a running condition. So it's quite amazing. I'm truly very happy with this. अब पता है कि इसका दिन बढ़ाना. Dear friends, as the watch was set on the date of 29, so it's taken time for me to set at the date of 5. So finally I've just set this watch. I've just set this watch that right now it's going on 11:30, and now it's taking 5 minutes to set the watch. So my dear friends, I'm truly very happy, and this watch is working absolutely fine. And the beauty which I will say about, it's one of the bestest I've ever seen. It's amazing. It's quite beautiful. This is how the beauty of the watch is. It's absolutely very amazing, very glossy and very shiny. And I would like to invite everyone that whoever wants to gift to their mother or any of their dear ones, so they can go definitely and they can gift it. So I'm truly very happy, and I would like to thanks to the Shop Clues for sending a very amazing watch. Okay. We'll put this watch again on the cover. Let me just get. So we got this watch at the price of 460 rupees, and as per the Shop Clues price, it was 559. But when I get the shop, so when I just applied for a discount, so I just get a 19 rupees discount plus Shop Clues bucks, which I was having. So 80 rupees it got minus of that off. So total invoice which I have paid for, it's 460 rupees. So it's an amazing watch. So my dear friends, we are having another thing that we are just going to unbox, and I've ordered this thing at the price of 79. As per the Shop Clues, it's of 79 rupees, but after discount of 12 rupees, so it's worth me of 67 rupees. Let's unbox this. Might be it will be a thermometer which I've ordered. My dear friends, you will get this thing in 99 rupees offer. So my dear friends, let's cut this box, and yes, wow, it's a quite beautiful thermometer, the picture which I'm seeing. It's a digital thermometer, and what we will do is we will test right now that what is the temperature of mine at this time. So we'll start this, and we'll put to my in my side. Temperature which I have kept, it's 92.8. So my dear friends, I've not put this thing in my mouth because of the COVID, as we all know that, and basically it's directly shipped from the China as well, so we need to stay safe. but no any doubt, the product is absolutely very nice. It's a price of worth of money that in just 99 rupees we're getting a digital thermometer. Because when you will go in the market and you will ask in any of the medical shop for thermometer, you have to pay 4 to 500 rupees for that. But in just 99 rupees you're getting a digital thermometer, so it really means a lot, and the price of the worth of the money. So I would like to thanks to the Shop Clues. To the unbox, well, actually the packet quality of this, it's not as much good as I was expecting. So basically it's a torch, it's a solar light torch which I've ordered. It's a lantern, it's a lalten, we used to say in Hindi. So basically it's a lalten, and here's this thing. There's no any bag or something inside. So basically it's a lalten that we are getting this a solar panel. We're getting this a solar panel, whenever we just want to charge this, so we can charge. Also we can charge this thing with connect the USB cable, and as well we can charge as well, and we can use this product as like a power bank as well, because we can charge our phones as well. So it's having a very good mAh battery. So let's start. Wow, it's quite very beautiful. It's like a gray white family. We have seen in the WWE, the gray white family, they used to come like this Lalton. So this is as like the same. But I'm truly very happy. I was feeling after having this thing that I was that I am also a member of the Bray Wyatt family. And we can also use this thing as a like torch. It's quite LED powered. It's quite very beautiful and powerful. So my dear friends, I've ordered this product at the price of basically this thing I've ordered from Flipkart, and here I can see, and I've get this product on the price of 309 at the cash on delivery. There you can see, my dear friends, at the price of 309 at the cash on delivery. So my dear, just all we just want to unbox, and thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching our video, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Dear friends, it's a multiple order which we have ordered from the shop Clues, and from the Olive Bazaar, and we have got at a very good price, at a very genuine price. You will never get this thing at in any other website, in any other shopping websites. So we get Surf Excel Easy Wash detergent powder at of 1.5 kg at just rupees 96, and we are getting cheesy tomato twist Maggi pasta price, and plus complimentary 2. So it's almost 10 Maggi pastas, 96. My goodness. And as you all know that one Maggi pasta, it's all cost you only 30 rupees each. And here we are getting the Maggi pasta in just rupees 99 a 10 piece. It's wow. But let's see, are we getting an original product or not? But I've always have a very wonderful experience with the shop Clues. So this is what we have. It's our Surf Excel. Well, actually, basically, I always like to have a good surf cutter. As I friends, as you have always seen in my videos, that I always wear a white shirt. It's just because I love the whiteness, and I always get the whiteness with this Surf Excel surf, and I never do any compromise in surf, because I always want to wear a clean clothes. So I always used to order Surf Excel. So we get 1.5 kg Surf Excel, and we get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8 Maggi pastas and 2 set of Dettol soaps. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. It was my reading problem on that time. So this is what we got in just rupees 96. This is what we are getting. Two friends, as we can see in each and every in each and every packet. We can see, we are able to see that it's cost of 25 each. I can make you zoom with the help of my brother. I would like to thanks to my brother as well, that he's my credit, that he's making videos for us. So in just rupees, so it is costing us at 12 rupees. It is costing us just 12 rupees at the price of 96 rupees, and it's just quite amazing. Just rupees 99, we are getting 8 packet of Maggi pastas. It is the best deal. And this is what we got in just rupees. Sorry, I would like to see. In just rupees 96, we get this packet. And in this, only just rupees, we only get 1 kg. My dear friends, I would like to say, in the market, when you will go outside to the market, any of the supermarket or any of the grocery stores, so you will get this, a set of Dettol soap at just rupees 250 rupees set. But in the Shopclose deal, you are getting the 2 set of soaps, which I've ordered different variants. A 2 set of soaps we are getting on just rupees 250. You can only think that in the price of, when we go outside, we get only just 1 set. 250 rupees only, we just get 1 set. But in Shopclose, we are getting in 250, we are getting 2 sets. So it's quite amazing deal. So my dear friends, I would like to appreciate each and everyone who is watching my video, and I would like to thanks each and everyone that whoever just watched my video. Do like, comment and share, and if you like our videos, our channel, do subscribe our channel. If you like our videos, just press the like button. Thank you.
यट्टा गैया शिव शिव नीवन्नी